Hey guys, this video will show you how you can set up the email bounce handling feature for SMTP using the WeMail plugin. Firstly, go to the settings section of the WeMail plugin, then click on SMTP. Next, click on Edit Credentials. Now scroll down and enable the Configure Bounce Handling option. Now scroll down and enable the Configure Bounce Handling option. Fill out all the details to connect the bounce handling email. Type an email address where you will get all the bounce emails with a detailed email body. Don't forget to include your IMAP host, IMAP port number, and the encryption with username and password. Click Next when you are done. The setup will fail if there's a slight mistake, so get these pieces of information regarding IMAP from your email service provider. If you ever need help, you can also refer to the Help section where you will find links to our videos, blogs, and documentation. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.